Hi, I'm Austin with Griffin Armament. Today I'm going to introduce to you our new Revolution 45 sound suppressor. It's shown here right next to our Revolution 9 for size comparison. I wanted to give you guys an overview of the features specific to the Revolution 45. It is a boosted silencer, so it's a reliable suppressor on a variety of host weapons. It is configurable, which is unique, in that it can be shortened to the K configuration. It is user serviceable, meaning it can be disassembled. It has fixed barrel spacers available for fixed barrel firearms. We also have booster pistons to support these in a variety of thread pitches. We currently offer for 9mm these in 1/2 by 28 as well as 13.5 by 1mm metric left hand, and also we support the 40 caliber 9/16-24 as well as the 45 578 by 28 and 16 by 1 left hand metric HK threads. In case you didn't follow the market, there's only 2 or 3 ear safe dry 45 suppressors on the market, and this is one of them, well within the below 140 decibel range. And so it is a very high performance suppressor at its minimal 8.2 inch length and approximately 12 ounce weight. So it's a great product, the Revolution 45.
134, 136, 133.5, 133.5, 133.